My name is Alexis Cole, and this is my video on bandaging wounds. So when approaching a victim that has an injury that is bleeding, you would first need to ask for permission to approach the victim and to be able to attend to the wound. So after asking for permission, before touching the victim, you would need to properly sanitize your hands, whether that's using hand sanitizer or washing your hands with soap, making sure that you scrub the front and back of your hands in between your fingers, and then to dry them off completely, and then to put on gloves. Making sure they are on all the way up to the wrist. Now, if the victim has bleeding that is uncontrollable, what you'll do is take a sterile gauze pad or gauze wrapping bandage and place over the wound, making sure that it is big enough to go over the wound. Placing it, putting pressure to try and stop the bleeding. Now, to wrap it, you'll start away from the heart, starting at the bottom of the wrist, going towards the body. You're going to wrap twice around the wrist, and then you'll be able to start a crisscross, a figure 8 wrap bandage, making sure that pressure is still here. You'll wrap down, wrap around, up, back, cross, and then being able to secure it. You can secure it by tying it or using a pin, making sure there's enough pressure over the wound, but not too much to where it cuts off circulation. Keep it elevated, and once you are done, then you can remove your gloves once you're completely done touching the patient, and just remembering to remove your gloves properly by pinching one and sliding off partially, and then doing the other completely off and finishing off the other one. And that concludes our video.